my name is Sakshi Sadegaonkar and today I am going to tell you the story. The story name is that the bundle of the sticks. The bundle of the sticks. Today is the non-technical topic for today's video, and today's date is 7th Feb 2024. So the story title is the bundle of the sticks. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a village. He had three sons who are very strong and handsome. Mm, but they always quarreled with each other. The farmer advised them many times to do not fight in between, and to stay with a peace and to stay with a unity. But each three of the sons ignore his advice many times, and farmer is trying to advise them again and again, but they didn't get it. And due to this, and they didn't get it, and they keep fighting in between with each other always. Then due to this, the farmer is in a worry. Then farmer thinks that what to do now. Then he came with one idea. He One day he brought the bundle of the sticks, and asked his sons to break that stick one by one. Three sons one by one tried to break that stick bundle of the sticks with very much with very much power and the strongness, but none of them is succeed. None of them is succeed. Then they again try to break it, but again they didn't succeed. Then farmer untied the bundle of the sticks and separated that each stick. Then farmer asked again the sons to now break it. Then each of the sons tried to break the stick. Then they can break it easily, and the sons were getting happy. Then the farmer smiled and said to the sons, like these sticks only. If you three of you stay together, stay with the unity, stay with the peace, then the no enemy can break you, and no enemy, none of the enemy can harm you. And if you get separated by the fighting and the quarreling, then any enemy can easily harm you, because you are not together. But if you are in the unity, if you three are together, then no one can break your strength, and no one can harm you. Then the sons understood the power of the unity, and they promised the farmer that they will never fight between them, and they will always be together, to the thick and the thin. So from this story, the sons understood that the power of the unity. So the moral of the story is the unity is the strength. It means if your team always work together for the same goal, then you will achieve that goal fastly. But if you break yourself in the small break yourself, then you will there is a much difficulty in achieving your goal. So the unity is the strength, unity is the power. So you must be work with the unity, so you can achieve your goal very much easily. So it's all about the story, that is the bundle of the sticks. From the bundle of the sticks, you can take the message that the unity is the thought, unity is the power, and unity is the strength. Means the unity can do anything. Unity can beat anything. It means the unity can beat the anything. If you work unitly, then you always get succeed. So all the three sons understood the message of the farmers, and the farmer is very smartly explains the sons that how the unity works and how the dividation fails. So it's all about the today's story. So you must have to apply it in your daily life, in your real life, in your practical life. So thank you.